This is Galbot S1, the robot that shatters industry limits. Built for the toughest industrial environments, the S1 delivers an unmatched 50-kilogram dual-arm payload, redefining what humanoid robotics can truly handle. While others lift light loads, the S1 dominates heavy-duty operations with precision, strength, and stability. Designed for real-world manufacturing, it operates 24/7 under continuous high-load conditions. No fatigue, no slowdown, no compromise. And when power runs low, there's no downtime. With autonomous battery swapping, the Galbot S1 replaces its own battery and gets straight back to work. Fully automated, fully independent. From assembly lines to high-demand industrial tasks, the S1 increases productivity, reduces labor strain, and sets a new benchmark in robotic endurance. This isn't just automation. This is the future of industrial strength. Galbot S1, engineered to lift more, work longer, and power the next era of manufacturing.